다 숨진다 부르다 부르되 비투여와 저리 잡고 그래도
जस्तो जब मान के नामले नै भन्छ मिस्टर हिमालयन म्यानहन्ट भनेपछि यो चाहिँ हामीले सिक्किममा मात्रै सीमित नराखेर सिक्किम बाहिर पनि जति पनि इन्ट्रेस्टेड हुनुहुन्छ लिमिटेड नराखेर बाहिरकोहरूले पनि यहाँ आएर उहाँले पार्टिसिपेट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। यो चाहिँ हामीले एकदम लिमिटेड गरेको छैनौँ। यसलाई चाहिँ बाहिरबाट पनि जति पनि हिमालयन रिजन छ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि हिमालयन म्यानहन्ट भनेको पार्टिसिपेट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ।
आज हामीले प्रोमो हेर्यौँ है,
हजुर।
अब यसमा पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सहरू कतिको छ है, कतिको इन्क्वायरिजहरू आउँदैछ त्यसमा पनि भनिदिनु सक्नुहुन्छ?
आजदेखि अब प्रोमो रिलिज भएको र रेजिस्ट्रेसन खोलिन्छ हाम्रो सायद 2 महिनाको लागि त खोलिन्छै होला र त्यसको बादमा मात्रै क्वेरिजहरू त्यति बिघ्न आउँदैछ। तर हामीले रेजिस्ट्रेसन खोलेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अहिले कति के चाहिँ भन्नु सक्दैन, तर क्वेरिजहरू चाहिँ धेरै मात्रामा नै आइरहेको छ।
र यसमा अब जो पनि जित्छ है उसको लागि के हुनेछ है, के कन्ट्याक्ट हुनेछ र प्लस जुरिजहरू को हुन्छ त्यो?
हजुर, त्यो अहिले चाहिँ भन्नु मिल्दैन किनभने हामीले नट येट डिसाइडेड के गर्छ कसो गर्छ भनेर हामीले केही पनि डिसाइड गरेको छैन। र जब रेजिस्ट्रेसन आउँछ र जस्तो पारेर हामीले अब यो इभेन्ट गर्ने गर्छौँ त्यति बेर त्यस्तो छ है, खुलिँदै जान्छ यो कुराहरू चाहिँ। हजुर, यो तपाईँहरूको लागि एउटा प्लेटफर्म खुलिएको छ, आउनुहोस् यसलाई एक्सप्लोर गर्नुहोस् है। र मैले मतलब धेरै नै भन्ने गर्छु कि एकदमै सिक्किममा ट्यालेन्ट छ र अब त बाहिरबाट पनि आउँदैछ र सिक्किमको नभएर बाहिरकोहरूले पनि जति पनि यहाँ पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुहुन्छ वी नेभर नो के अरे बलिउडमा हाम्रो पनि यहाँबाट एउटा फेस हुनसक्छ है। र तपाईँहरूकोमा ट्यालेन्ट छ, आउनुहोस् पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुहोस्, आफूलाई एक्सप्लोर गर्नुहोस्। र योमा गरेपछि तपाईँहरू ह्यान्डसम त हुनुहुन्छ है, तपाईँहरू ट्यालेन्टेड हुनु नै हुन्छ। तर यसमा आएर अझै ग्रुम भएर अझै आफ्नो कन्फिडेन्स लेभललाई बढाएर तपाईँहरूको आफ्नो करियरलाई अगाडि लानु सक्नुहुन्छ। जस्तै मिस्टर सिक्किमको रूपहरूमा अघि नै तपाईँले योगेन तामाङबाट सुनिहाल्नु भयो है, फिल्ममा कतिहरूले चान्स पाएको छ, म्युजिक भिडियो गरेकै छ। र मिस सिक्किमबाट प्रमिलाले भर्खर तिम्रो मुस्कानमा काम गर्यो। यसरी धेरै ट्यालेन्टहरूलाई हामीले एकदमै सपोर्ट गरेर माथि सबैजना आफ्नो आफ्नो ट्यालेन्ट मुताबिक माथि आइरहनु भएको छ। र तपाईँहरू पनि आउनुहोस्, पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुहोस्। वी नेभर नो तपाईँहरू पनि बलिउडमा सायद तपाईँहरूको पनि करियर इस्टाब्लिस हुनसक्छ, तर कोसिस चाहिँ तपाईँहरूले नै गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। थ्याङ्क यू।
This is a very prestigious event which is being organized, and as has been told by the organizers, Sikkim is now showcasing not only the local talent but also expanding the horizon by including participants from the northeast and also including participants from Nepal and Bhutan as well. Sikkim has now arrived on the national scene and our young talent is ready to conquer the world. I just want to motivate and tell the youngsters, you have all the talent, you have all the confidence. Just keep it in your mind that you are the best, and when you compete, have that courage and that joy in participating in any event. You'll surely be a success. Thank you.
I would like to congratulate the entire team of Mr. Himalayan Manhunt, and this is a great opportunity for upcoming youths of Sikkim, and I'm sure this platform will be used by them, and the team will create new leadership in days to come, and I'm sure Sikkim will be promoted and the Himalayan region will be promoted in the national and global platform. And I once again like to congratulate the entire team and wish you best wishes, and from our government side and our Honorable Chief Minister, who is very proactive in supporting these kinds of events where youths are participating, and I'm sure our government will also be cooperating this event in days to come. Thank you.
I would like to give my best wishes to the Himalayan Manhunt, and I know this event is going to be a very eventful one, and since we are going to be having participants from all the Eastern Himalayas and all this region, I'm sure we're going to be giving a good talent to the country. Thank you so much. All the best to the team. Thank you.
I'm very, very glad to hear this. This platform is very, very big, and you have to grab this opportunity, and all the very best to our team and our Mr. Himalaya. You have to come and win this. If you don't win, you have to go ahead and you have to come for the audition. All the best team and all the best team members. Congratulations.
All the team like Yogen and Susma ma'am, like this is like great opportunity for our place and entire Himalayan state. So we are looking more like exciting, like a program from them. Like this thing, all the best for this in the future.
Sikkim Chronicle and team Sushma Didi lai ki tasलाई यो इभेन्टमा इन्भाइट गरिदिनु भएकोमा and all the very best to all the contestant Mr. Himalayan Manhunt को लागि अनि I hope यसरी नै तपाईहरुले हाम्रो सिक्किम टुरिज्मलाई पनि तपाईहरुको यो इभेन्टमा यो पेजेन्ट त्यसमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले हाम्रो सिक्किम टुरिज्म पनि प्रमोट गरिदिन्छ भनेर थ्यांक यू
To the whole team, I'm so happy. It's a huge platform for aspiring youngsters, and I really like to really congratulate Yogen and Sushma Di from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Sonam Gelson Bhutia, on behalf of OMAS, Organization of Musicians and Artists of Sikkim, would like to congratulate Sushma Productions, ETC and Sikkim Chronicles for coming up with such a wonderful event, an event Mr. Himalayan Manhunt, full of opportunities I see for the youngsters, and I'm very much optimistic that this event, this show will be a great hit and it will reach like across the nation. Thank you.
I have a very small message for Himalayan Manhunt team. What I would like to say is hope they do the best of it and wish them all the best. That's it.
I give my best wishes to them and मलाई चाहिँ लाग्छ अब यो पनि एकदमै हिट हुनेछ र एज अलवेज योगेन्दा र डल्लै प्रोडक्सन सुषमा प्रोडक्सनले राम्रो ट्यालेन्टेडहरू अगाडि बढाउनेछ र आई गिभ माई बेस्ट विसेस एन्ड बेस्ट रिगार्ड्स टु देम
First of all, congratulations to all the organizers. It really went well. Promo एकदम राम्रो भइरहेको थियो र thank you for giving this opportunity to the people from Himalayas and congratulations and all the best.
I'd like to congratulate the entire team of Himalayan Manhunt, and it's so good that they are making such a big platform for all the guys of Sikkim, and all the very best. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the entire team and especially Sushma Production and of course ETC and Sikkim Chronicles for this wonderful initiative. This was long overdue, that's what I feel, because men also should get the kind of opportunity in the entertainment world as much as women. And I am 100% sure that our men, our boys are nothing but of international standards, so all the best.
Liked and congratulations to the entire team of Mr. Himalayan Manhunt. Obviously, Sikkim ma ta bhairaheko थियो, but now this time it's going like Himalayan ma हुँदैछ हैन. So we are expecting a lot, and I'm really glad that Yugen and his entire team is really working hard, and I think Sikkim will definitely set an example that what fashion industry should be. So I'm really proud that I also have been invited here. So I wish all the team of Mr. Himalayan Manhunt best, all the best. Yeah.
I'm actually very excited. The promo this time it was very different. No promo देखेर नै I'm अहिले the excitement level बढिरहेछ. I just want to wish all the best to all the contestants like who will be participating, हैन. And yeah, that's all the best.
Congratulations to the Susma Production, and I'm very thankful for calling me and my husband to attend this beautiful program. And I think this is a very big platform for all the Sikkimese people so that they can attend and they can join to make it a very big program. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरो नाम कोमल गुरुङ अनि म तपश्री एकाडेमीको डाइरेक्टर अनि म्यानहन्टको एन्टायर टिमलाई बेस्ट विसेस पनि भन्न चाहन्छु अनि अल द बेस्ट पनि भन्न चाहन्छु अनि सुषमा दिदीलाई पनि थ्याङ्क यू सो मच हाम्रो यहाँनिर आर्टिस्टहरूलाई प्लेटफर्म दिनुभएकोमा अनि बेस्ट विसेस
Mr. Himalayan Manhunt team.
All the best for Mr. Himalayan Manhunt. All the best to the entire team of Mr. Himalayan Manhunt 2021. All the best.
Wish them all the best. I think the promo was great and this event was amazing. You know, to be surrounded by people who have big dreams, big plans, and it's so inspiring to find myself in an environment like this, and I loved it. Thank you.
I wish them joy and jubilance for the entire journey. Also, किसी की नजर ना लगे.
Thank you so much for having everyone here today, and I wish all the team, the entire team, a very good luck and success.
सुषमा प्रोडक्सनले आज मिस्टर हिमालयन म्यानहन्टको जुन चाहिँ यो प्रोमो आज स्टार्ट के भन्ने रिभ्यू गरेको छ हैन, र यसमा हामी एकदमै खुसी छौँ किनभने उसले सुषमा प्रोडक्सनले जहिले पनि हाम्रो लोकलाइट्स र जति पनि यङ ट्यालेन्टहरू छ उनीहरूलाई हमेसा नै एउटा राम्रो प्लेटफर्म दिने गरेको छ, र यो पनि एउटा वान अफ द मोस्ट अब प्लेटफर्म हो, एउटा राम्रो प्लेटफर्म हो यो, नट ओन्ली फर सिक्किम, फर एभ्री हिमालयन रिजन प्लस नर्थ इस्ट अन्त वेस्ट बेङ्गल, त्यहाँको जति पनि ट्यालेन्टेड बोइजहरू छ उहाँहरूको लागि यो सिक्किमले यो प्लेटफर्म प्रदान गर्दैछ, र सबैजना आउनुहोस् र हिमालयन म्यानहन्टमा तपाईँहरू पार्टिसिपेट गर्नुहोस्। र सुषमा प्रोडक्सनले आज जुन चाहिँ यो प्लेटफर्म सबै नानीहरूलाई दिएको छ उनीहरू सबैले यो चिजको चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रोसँगले उहाँहरूले चाहिँ प्लेटफर्मको फाइदा उठाउनुहोस् र आफूलाई एक्सप्लोर गर्नुहोस्। थ्याङ्क यू सो मच।
भेरी गुड, यो मतलब राम्रो प्लेटफर्म छ सिक्किमको लाइक यङ ट्यालेन्ट्सहरूको लागि, अन्त ट्यालेन्ट्स लाइक अस अन्त निकैजना छ, अन्त लाइक यो राम्रो एउटा प्लेटफर्म छ, प्रमोट गर्दैछ है, अन्त बिग अप्स टु दिस अर्गनाइजेसन एन्ड दिस इभेन्ट।
Congratulate Sushma Productions and ETC for organizing Mr. Himalayan Manhunt. My best wishes to the entire team and everyone associated with it. Thank you so much.
My name is Brandon Denabucha and I'm from Siliguri. And I really had a great experience to be a part of the Mr. Himalayan Manhunt promo shoot. And I hope like it's going to be a really big bang that will give a lot of opportunities for a lot of young guys to showcase themselves in this manhunt. Hoping for the best.
Hello, my name is Sunny Tamang. I am from Gandok, Sikkim, and it was a very great pleasure to be a part of promo video and Mr. Himalayan Manhunt. And I hope everyone does well in auditions, and this is the best platform to showcase the talent, and I hope everything goes fine and all the best to all the guys out there. Thank you so much.
I'm Tathagat Roy. I'm from Siliguri. And maza aayo. And this experience was very good actually, and everyone took great care of us, and we had great fun actually, and Yuganda, Nirmal, amazing people out here, and I just hope everything goes out well, I know for everyone, and hope for the best actually, and that's it. Thank you.